Hello, thank you for watching my video today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can post an article on your blog. From my previous video, we talk about how you can register. As you can see, the title says how to create a free website with Google Blogger and earn money. So in this video, I talk about how you can create a website. How you can get a domain, get a free website and get a domain. A domain name is a URL that points to your website, e.g. google.com, youtube.com, amazon.com, yahoo.com. So you can watch this first video to create a blog account, to create an account. And if you have a Google blog account, then you can follow this video. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to use this blog as an example. I'm going to copy content from here to generate content here. So let's create a new post. Let's say this is your new website and you want to create a new post. Then first click on new post here. So creating new post. The first thing that comes is my title. What's my title? Here is where I'm going to insert my title, and here is where I'm going to insert my content, and here are the tools, resources that we can make use of. So first thing is our title. As I said, I'm going to copy content from here. So I'm going to start with this: celebrating Black History Month, and this is a future image. So this is a future image. So first thing, I'm going to copy this title, and I'm going to copy it right here. I'm going to paste it here. So I just paste the title, and here the next thing is I want to insert a future image. So insert an image. You can simply upload image from your computer or from Photos Blogger by URL. I'm going to use by URL here because it saves time and I don't have to download. It's easier for me. So I'm just going to copy this image URL, copy image address. So I'm going to paste it right here and it's going to download it for me. Simple as ABC. So I just downloaded the future image right here, and I'm going to copy the content here. So here are the content, and you can also type. I'm going to give a space, a paragraph. I paste it. Boom. So I can change the font size of my content right here simply by highlighting it. Let's say I want to change this particular font size. I can change it right there to any font size I want. Area, Korea, Georgia. Let me change it to Georgia. So as you can see, I just changed it to Georgia, and I can also change my font size. I can change my font size from here to small, normal. I can use to small. I can change it to medium. I can change it to normal. So I'm going to leave it in normal. And here is my heading. I can use it as an header, first heading, sub heading, minor heading, and I can place it as normal. I can place it as normal. So I just place it as normal, and here I can change my color. I can change my color right here to yellow. Red. So I just change this color to red, and I can change it to any color. So I'm making use of these tools so you know how to use them. I'm going to change it back to black, and here I can put a background text image. Background text color. As you can see, I just insert a gray background. Let me use one. Let me insert red so you can see it. So as you can see, I added a what's it called, a red. So I'm going to place it back to normal. So there are a lot of things, and here is a URL. I can disable this URL. This URL is from WordPress, where I copy the content from. So I can disable this simply by clicking on here. So I just disable the the website, and I can add a URL right here. Simply I can add a link, http://.com, for example. So as you can see, I just added a link. Anyone who click on this is going to click on the link. So I'm going to disable it, and here also I can change it to center. I can change my my alien. I can put it in center or I justify it to right alien or left alien. So I'm gonna leave it in left alien. And here, if I want to add a bullet, I can add bullet one. I can also add second bullet. You can also add a quote. So here you can add a line. I can add a line here. You can see I just added a line. And here you can shift your words by shifting to the other side and to the. So don't let us waste much time on this. You can go through all this one by one and make use of the resources, the tools that fits you most. You can even add an emojis. You can simply add any emojis and you can draw. You can draw a symbol right here. You can draw your own symbol right here. So you can see. So this Google Blogger has a lot of feature that you can use to create a professional website. If you can master it, you are going to be very good at it. So let me just publish this post. Before I publish, you can preview your post. You can preview it by clicking on preview here before you publish it to see what's going on. How is it? Is it okay? Do you love it? As you can see, what a very nice and lovely website. You can check on different platforms and see how it goes on mobile device, on tab. How does it go on tab? On desktop, how does it go? So on if you slide it, how does it go? So can you see it's very useful. And then I can come here and publish my post, publish. And you can also label it. For example, I'm going to say this is a celebrating Black History Month, so I can say African. This is a African. This post belongs to African page, and here you can pen a publication. You can publish it. I can say I want to publish this post tomorrow by so time, and even add a time. Or I'm going to publish it today, or I set it to automatic. So whatever it is, and again I can add a location. Okay, I published this post in Nigeria. I published this post in Nigeria, so I can add it and I can leave it. There's also an option which says do not allow show existing. This is comment. This is meant for. So if you don't want someone to comment before, you can. If you don't want someone to comment on your existing post before, then you can click on this. Then if you want someone to comment, so I'm going to allow reader to be able to comment. I'm going to click on allow right here. I'm going to click on allow. So then I'm going to publish our post. Click on publish, confirm. So as you can see, I just published our first post. Now let's view it. Let's view our first post. Boom, you just publish your first website. Can you see how lovely it is? Very lovely. It looks beautiful, isn't it? But it looks like a basic website. Of course, that's what it's going to look for at first. So we are still going to do some design right here. We are still going to do the theme. Let me add one more. So I'm going to quickly do this very fast. I'm going to use this 10 ways to avoid unnecessary meeting with. I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to add an image. Let me close this. I'm going to add a background image right here, then I'm going to copy it. So let me use this as a future image. I'm going to copy this as a future image. I'm going to insert it right here. Boom. So this is too small. Well, I'm just going to use it like that for the purpose of this video. Then I'm going to add my content right here. And if I want to insert another image, I can simply by clicking on insert image by URL here, and then copying another image I want to insert right here, copy image address. Then I'm going to insert it here. Select, as you can see, simple as ABC. I'm going to publish it right here. So let's view it again. All right, can you see I just published another one right here, and you can see that using Google Blogger is very simple, and it's even interesting. Even though if you don't have passion for it, you can find your passion in it. So now that let me label it, let me add a label. I'm going to add a label like this is blog. I'm going to name it blog. All right, let's check our statistics. As you can see today so far we have 2 views here. We have 2 views here. So now let me create some pages. I think in the next video I'm going to teach you how you can create pages and how we can design layout. So I'm going to stop here for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't, if you have any question, please comment below on this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching my video.